Hey everyone, how are you guys? Welcome to today's video. This is going to be a quick bill exchange. I say quick, but I feel like my videos are never quick. But this is going to be really exciting because we're going to swap out some cash and put in some $1,000 placeholders right here. I really shouldn't have this much cash on hand, so I'm going to take it out, put it in the bank, and use this as a placeholder. I think these are really, really nice. I wish they were a little bit thicker. They're pretty thin, you guys can kind of hear it. But if you guys didn't catch my last video, then you guys wouldn't have seen that I'm actually making these as freebies in my shop. So if you order from the shop January 1st and beyond, so anything after January 1st, you will get this as a freebie. I've said this in my previous video that I really wanted to offer a freebie for you guys. I was thinking about doing like stickers or little thank you postcards, but I don't know, I wanted to give you guys something that's functional as a freebie, and I feel like if you're purchasing from the shop, you are a budgeter and you may need some placeholders. So $1,000 placeholders will be the shop freebie moving forward until we run out or until I think of something better to give you guys. And we're gonna jump right into it. So I really do need to exchange mainly from our long-term binder. This is my long-term sinking funds binder here. And I know for sure that Bachelorette and Greece are the big ones. Those need to come out. So here it is, Bachelorette. So we have over $1,000 in here, so we can definitely use one of these. So let's count this out. 100, 200, 50, 350, 450, 550, 650, 750, 850, 950, 1,000. Okay, so we have 1,000. So here's our placeholder. So we will leave that. We could probably, yeah, let's swap out some of these 50s for the hundreds actually. So there's what, 2 in here? So we get 150, 200. So we'll swap these out. Okay, we are good to go for Bachelorette. So yeah, these are great if you just want to condense your envelopes and not have so much cash on you, which is nice. So that's Bachelorette. And then Greece also needs a $1,000 placeholder. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1,000. Okay, can we switch anything out? Yeah, let's do that. Okay, so here we go. $1,000 placeholder. And there's nothing else we can exchange there, so amazing. Look how tiny these envelopes are now. Nice and thin, and this money is going to the bank. So since this money is going to the bank, I'm going to go through my other envelopes and exchange anything out that could use either a $100 bill or a 50. That way we don't have too much bulkiness in the envelopes. Okay, so we have emergency. Let's just check it out. Let's see what we can do. Oh yeah, we can take out 2 50s for a $100 bill. That's nice. Medical could probably use some bill exchanging. Oh yeah, here we go. Let's do 50. Oops, oh my goodness. 70, 90, 100. So we'll swap this out for a $100 bill. Okay, that is medical. Car insurance, we don't have that many bills in there, so we'll skip that. New car, that could actually probably be condensed. Let's see, can it? 20, 40, 60, no, not yet. We're really close to another 100, but new car will stay the same. Invest barely has anything. New phone, no. Taxes, no. Travel, I feel like travel has Oh yeah, look at that. Okay, so let's do, ooh, let's see. Let's do, we'll do 50, 100, 50, and 200. Okay, let me just make sure that's right. We have 50, 100, 150, 170, 190, 200. Okay, so we'll do $200. 1, 2, awesome. I don't know if you guys can hear the helicopter, but welcome to living in the city. Oh my gosh, that's really loud. That's really close. Bachelorette we just did, Greece we just did, Debt Snowball only has 20, so we don't have to exchange anything there. And then let's see what we can do in our short-term binder. So let's see, family might be able to exchange some bills. Oh yeah, let's do 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. Awesome. Okay, there's that. Special occasions. Sometimes I think about it and I'm just like, do I want big bills in here? Because sometimes if I'm like going out or if I need something, sometimes smaller bills is better. But let's just change out a 50 here. So 20, 40, 50 for a $50 bill. Awesome. So that's special occasions, car maintenance. That could actually be condensed because my mechanic loves big bills. So let's see, 50, 150, 200. We'll do that. Okay, and then we have, ooh, you know what? We'll change out this for 50. Put that back in, and I think we're good. Okay, so that was a good condensement. Is that a word? Condensement? Home is gonna be skipped. Beauty, I kind of want to keep the smaller bills in beauty, whatever I have at least. Date night will skip. Pet care, I'm sure we can change something out in here. Pet care, we can definitely change some things out. Let's do these like smaller bills for sure. So let's get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's $10. Okay. Oh, you know what? Let me just take those out because. Okay, so pet care. We just exchanged. Oh, this 10 is not cute. Okay, we're gonna put that in the back. We'll take a different 10. And I think that's good for, we can do a 20. Let's do a 20. Okay, perfect. So pet care is good now. My envelope, yeah, we can definitely change some things out in here, right? Oh yeah, let's do 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. And then another 100. All right. How perfect was that? That was so perfect. Business, I think I'm just gonna keep as is. Should I? Let's just double check. Okay, let's just exchange for a 50. Let's see. Actually, we can do 20, 40, 50, 60, 80, 100. Okay, 20, 40, oh geez. All right, so we have 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 100. So we're just gonna get 2 50s because, yeah. There we go. We are good, you guys. Our binders are a lot thinner, less bulky, which is the whole point of a bill exchange, is to debulk your sinking funds and your cash envelopes or whatever, and also to put more money into the bank instead of having it on hand. So really quick, this should be $2,000. So let's quickly double check. 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 51,000. 51, 52, 53, 54, 50, 500, 1,500. We'll put it back in the tray. 1,500, 500, 20, 40, 60, 86, 20, 40, 60, 80, 700, 20, 40, 60, 80, 800, 20, 40, 60, 80, 900, 920, 9, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 995, 96, 97, 98, 99, $2,000. So that is perfect. This money is going back to the bank. I hope you guys enjoyed this bill exchange with me. If you have any questions, leave them down below. If you have any questions about where anything is from, cash tray, binders, envelopes, any of it, I will leave everything linked down below. Again, just a reminder, anybody that is placing an order in the shop from January 1st and after will be receiving a $1,000 placeholder as a freebie. Thank you guys so much for your support, your love. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, follow me on Instagram, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!